Hey everybody, Debbi Starr here, coming at you, sharing a quick little training video on how you can reward people as they get to the end of your little course that you've built. Now, I am inside of Go HighLevel / Funnel Gorgeous, any of the white labeled programs within HighLevel. It works the same way. It is super easy to do, and I think your students or clients are going to love it. So let me just shrink my head down here a little bit. Now, I am inside of one of my courses. So up here at the top, you'll see that I'm in memberships, and courses come down. It's kind of confusing, but the courses are actually called products on this side. Okay, so this is where I'm at. So the new feature that's been released, super exciting, is certificates. So when you click on certificates, you can attach certificates to any of your programs. And the nice thing is you can create one from scratch or use one of the templates that they already have. So I'm going to back out of this and we're going to go up to the top, click on certificates. Now, I made one that I'm going to show you here in a second for demonstrations, but we're going to just walk through making another one. So if we click on new, we can use the templates or we can create one from scratch, but it's so much easier. Just use a template. And here are 4 samples of what you can use. So I'm just going to click on one, confirm it, and then pops up here with just this super simple little form, and you can customize it to however you want. Now, this just so happens to be pretty close to my branding colors here, but when I click on any of these things, any of the text, I can change it. I could, if I wanted a different kind of a badge, I click on that. You'll notice here's all of the different badges, and then changing the name. Okay, so if I wanted, I'm actually going to just move this up a little bit, and I'm just going to say Star Consulting. And if it's not long enough, you can just grab those little bars, and so you can modify this however you want. So you can change the font, the colors, make it bold, italics, all of that kind of stuff. All right. So I'm just going to move this up here. And now in the middle, see where it says contact.name? That is a code that the system will automatically stamp their name in there and then just say has successfully achieved the certification. And then we could add to it if we wanted. We could add more text. Okay, so if I wanted to say great job on finishing the course, whatever I wanted to do. Then down here, I'm just going to change the name. So I'm going to type my name in. And again, I'm just using one of their templates. You can use it straight out of the box, or you can, modify it however you want. I'm just going to say if I can type here, your coach and business mentor. And I'm just going to make the type smaller here. Okay. You can come over here. You can add an image. So you just click and drag the image over here, go into your library and add the image. And then when you're all done, you can save it. So I'm not going to save this one. Let me just back out here. And I'll show you the one that I just made. So here's the one that I made. I just changed the text a little bit. I dumped in my logo here, changed this, and then you can preview it. And there it is. Looks pretty nice, don't you think? So the beauty is, so now I'm going to get back out of here. And when we come back over here to our courses and products, just open this up, excuse me. Then up here at the top, so you first have to create that certificate. And now here at the top, I can attach, I already have it attached here. I can attach that certificate. So you make it first and then you attach it. And the best thing of all is you don't have to do any kind of workflows, automations, anything. The system will automatically track who has completed it. Now, if you don't know how to find that, if you come up here to courses and come down to analytics, and then go to course progress, you will actually see how far along people are. And you just show which course you're looking at, and then you can see how far along they are. And when they get to the end, the system will automatically generate that little certificate for them. It's that easy. So go out, have a play with it, reach out, let me know if this was useful to you, and are you implementing this in your business? I would love to know, and share yours. Let me see what you've come up with. And as always, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure that you hit the subscribe and the like and all that kind of stuff. All right, take care.